These are my social media account as well, the Twitter and Instagram account, and also follow me on this, and you given the link on the description box. Good morning fellow guys. Now today I take again a successive reduction formula of this equation as a integral calculus. Now take this question, and that's on this board, and that is successive reduction formula, and the find that the integral calculus of 0 to pi by 2 of sine of 2nx times of cot x dx, where n is a positive integer. Now we have from this question also integration of 0 to pi by 2 of sine of 2nx times of cot x dx. That's it. And now let in equals to also integral calculus of 0 to pi by 2 of sine of 2nx times of cot x dx. That's it. And now that is 2nx and its x as well. I write again this x and this n also. So and this n also, I of n, that's it, that's equals to. And now we also let it I of n minus 1, that's equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 of sine of 2 of n minus 2 of as well n is equals to n minus 1 of x of cot of x dx as well. Here not n again, that cos for that's I also write that the cot x. And now I of n minus 1, that's equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 of this cot x and this cot x. So therefore sine of 2nx, that's I write again sine of 2nx, that's minus of from this question. So sine of 2nx minus of sine of 2n minus 2 of x, that's it. And the cot x, and the cot x is I also take it as the common factor. So now the cot x of dx, that's it. And now also I write again here sine of a minus sine of b, that's equals to, it's also you know from this the as a algebraic function. So now cos of a plus b by 2 times of sine of a minus b by 2, and also 2 times of whole of, and that's equals to here also a equals to 2nx and the b equals to 2n minus 2 of x, that is. And that's so now that's equals to 2 times of cos of a plus b, also I also write it, and the denominator is also b 2, therefore 2n plus of 2n minus 2, that's it. And the x, and now that is sine of, the denominator is 2 and the denominator is 2n minus 2n plus of 2, that's it, that's equals to times of x, that's it. And that's equals to 2 times of cos of 4n minus 2 by 2 x times of sine of 2n minus 2n is cancelled, so 2 by 2 x, that's it. And now that's equals to 2 times of cos of, that's it. So therefore 2n, also I write down that 2n minus 1 x times of sine of x, that's it. And this the final accurate answer. So now I also write it down as well, sine of 2nx minus of sine of 2n minus 2x, that's it. So 0 to pi by 2 of also integrating function, that's it. Thus I also write it here 2 times of cos of 2n minus 1 of x times of cos x, sorry sine x also, that's times of cot x dx, that's it. And now I also write it down again, I also is remove, that's equals to 0 to pi by 2 of integration function of 2 times of cos of 2n minus 1 of x times of sine of x, that's it. And this cot x I also so divide by cos x by sine x, that's it, and times of dx, that's it. And sine x is cancelled out as well. And now that's equals to integration function of 0 to pi by 2 of 2 times of cos of 2n minus 1 of x times of cos x dx, that's it. And now that's equals to also from this. So now 2 cos A into cos B, that's equals to, I also write it down. Therefore cos of A plus B by 2, sorry, not 2 as well, that's equals to cos of A plus B times of cos of A minus B, that's it as well. And now here A equals to 2n minus 1, that's it. And the B equals to 2n, sorry, that's it, the x only. So therefore cos of 2n minus 1 plus 1, that's it, times of x, and cos of 2n minus 1, it's x also, you know from this. So now 2n minus 1 of x, that's it, and that's equals to cos of 2n x of cos of 2n minus 2 of x, that's it. And now also I write down here, that's it. So integration function of 0 to pi by 2 of, that's it. So therefore cos of, also I write down that 2nx times of cos of 2n minus 2 of x dx, that's it. And it's also plus as well, you know this the answer. I also given you as screenshot on this area. So therefore that's, so therefore the integrating function of 0 to pi by 2 of cos of 2nx and dx, that's it. And that is plus of integrating function of 0 to pi by 2 of cos of 2n minus 2 x dx, that's it. And that's equals to cos of, that's also integrating cos of, that is also sine, we know that as well. I also write it here down that integrating function of cos x, that's equals to sin x plus c, that's it. And now therefore I also write down again my black pen, so there, that is also cos of 2nx, that is sine of 2nx by 2n, that is which is also 0 to pi by 2, and plus of sine of 2n minus 2 of x by of 2n minus 2, which is also 0 to pi by 2, that's it. And now I also write it down, this is also dx as well. So this function is coming for this equation, so 0, and this function is coming from this pi by 2 and this area as well, and this coming out also, this the second function is coming out 0 plus 0, that's equals to 0. So therefore I of n minus 1, that's equals to 0. Therefore I of n equals to I of n minus 1, that's it also, that's a normal function. So now also write it down as well, replacing by, so I also write it down that replacing by of n minus 1 to n, therefore I also write it down, sorry, not it's, so I of n minus 1, that's equals to I of n minus 2, that's it as well. N is replacing, therefore n minus 1, so I of n equals to I of n minus 1 equals to I of n minus 2 equals to I of n minus 3 and I of n minus 4, that's dot of, which is the last limit is I of 1, that's it, as a positive integer. Therefore I0 is not allowed on this area, as that's not positive and that's not negative on 0. Therefore, so now I of 1 equals to, I also write it down that the integrating function of 0 to pi by 2 of this. So here the n is 1 also, I write down that the n is 1. So therefore sine of 2x times of cot x, it's also x of dx, it's x dx, that's it. And now this integrating function simplify, therefore that is 0 to pi by 2 of integrating function, that is this function. So sine of 2nx, so sine of 2x, that is sine 2x equals to 2 times of sine x times of cos x, that's it. So write it down as a simplify, therefore this. So now 2 times of sine of n times of sine of x, sorry, cos of x, and the cot x is also coming cos x by sine x and that's times of dx, and sin x is cancelled out. Therefore that's coming that the I of 1 equals to integrating function of 0 to pi by 2 of cos square x dx, that's and that 2 is here. So cos square x is coming out. Therefore that's equals to 0 to pi by 2 of it's 0 also. So therefore 1 minus cos 2x equals to, I also write it down as well, 1 minus cos 2x dx, that's it, and that's coming. So therefore I1 equals to 0 to pi by 2 of this function. So 1 minus cos 2x of dx, that's it, and that's equals to 0 to pi by 2 of dx as well 1, and that 0 to pi by 2 of integrating function of cos of 2x dx, that's it, and that's equals to dx is coming x, 0 to pi by 2 is limit, and the minus of cos of 2x, that's it, sine of 2x by 2, and which limit is 0 to pi by 2, that's it, and that's equals to pi by 2 minus of sine of pi by 2, that's equal to 2 and 2 cancel out. So therefore sine of pi is coming. So now I also write it down, sine 2n by 2, that's equals to also, therefore the limit I also figure out on this equation. So sine of 2x times of pi by 2, and that's equals to sine phi, that's coming by also by 2, and now we all know that the sine phi equals to 0. Therefore sine pi whole pi by 2 equals to 0. So therefore the answer is pi by 2, that's it. Now I of also, we know this the question as well, this figure out. So I of n equals to I of n 1, that's equals to pi by 2, and it's also answer, you know it. So therefore I also write it down from my this red pen. So therefore that's equals to pi by 2, and this the answer, and is this the accurate answer. Thank you for watching this video as well, it's the integral calculus, and also follow me on the Twitter account and Instagram account. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also follow me on social media accounts, and also join the group on my Facebook page and Facebook group. Thank you, have a good day, tata, bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.